Good, I see. You see what I see? Wild turkey. You see them? Well, in May, guess who's gonna get some turkey? You see them? Look at all of them. You see what I'm saying, right? Right up in there. Right up there. That's how easy it is to get some meat around here. I just sit here quietly and they don't know I'm here. Or they see me, but they ain't moving. You see them down there? Look at that. That's it, folks. You need to store when you got a piece of property like this, huh? You see the deer we get two in there, but it's just about turkey season in May, so we don't scare these guys away. Well, you guess we got turkey. I know where to get them. I was just coming up here with a chainsaw here, okay? I was clearing the trees. And that's where I found them. I'm gonna give them a break. They all just went over the crest this way. I think they smelled me. There's some still up around there. Let them do their thing back there. We won't chase them back off the property. And then we'll catch them when we're ready. Alright. So stop it here, but I just wanted to show you all that. Pretty cool, huh? See, there this went. I thought I heard something, so I stopped. Lo and behold, I put my head up and there's a bunch of turkey up there. I hope y'all like that. God bless y'all. This is Brandon from Philly Gardens in West Virginia. Much love.